So VETchain, how is this looking? On the 1 hour chart, it's looking like you want to go higher. The MACD right now is going down. I do think so. That means short term, I would say price action is going to consolidate. But let's look at the 15-minute. 15-minute is looking like you could probably go higher here because you bounced off of this local level of support at 3.7. And I would say, yeah, you go higher short term on VETchain. So let's go to the 6 hour chart and see where we had actually I'm going to go to the 3-day chart so I can really zoom out. It's looking like maybe we can do the daily chart. It's looking on VETchain. The next resistance that I had from months ago when I drew this was 18.7. That was the next resistance from back here. 18.7 is the next resistance as far as I can tell. That's looking like the next resistance. If you get above that, I'm looking at 25.4 to the downside. I don't think you go below 14 cents again because you are in an uptrend and the 15-minute chart is looking bullish. But to the downside, you're looking at basically 9.7, 9.8 as support. And that's kind of how that's looking. If we want to use a fib and just see what that would look like from the local bottom, I can't really tell you what the local top was because I don't think a top is in yet. But say this is the local top here, resistance at 18.7 or 19 cents. Then the 618 that you would need to be above, which you're clearly way above, is 12.3. If you get above this resistance, obviously, then one of your fibs is up here at 25.3, where we also have resistance, so that worked out beautifully. You also have a smaller fib at 21 cents. But I would say if you get above 18 cents or 18.8, you're probably going to shoot up to 25.4. So this is looking really bullish right now, and I don't think the fibs are going to help much considering the fact that one of the fibs is right at resistance. So that's basically just confirming that this is going to be probably a short-term top at 25.4 if we get up there. But I would say short-term, this is looking good, at least a bare minimum for a rally up to 18.7. Maybe you get a small pullback, but I do think probably within a few weeks you're at 25.4, if not within a few days. So this is looking pretty good. I'm not going to go too in-depth on this, but it's looking pretty good. MACD has more room to go up on the 15-minute chart. The 1 hour chart did look like it was going to try to consolidate down, so do be careful. The 6 hour chart for the MACD. So you basically touch resistance up here. You never touch support. So I would also say the 6 hour chart probably needs to cool off a little bit. So I would say it can rally up to 18.7, but I would say at 18.7, due to the bigger time frames on the MACD being overextended, you probably get a pullback of some sort. And we can do fibs on that when that does happen. But that's all I got. Short term, 18.7 is looking like the target. And that's all I got. See you guys next time.